prepare bhat ke dubke, bhat ki churkani, and badi,
Yeah,
badi, uh, and uh, and masak chance. Yeah, yeah. So there are a lot of
and
things.
Arsa in marriage ceremony, Arsa always myself Priyanka Chadiyal. I am living in here Faridabad.
Mhm.
Right now I am working as a primary teacher in a public school. As far as my qualification is concerned, I have completed my BSc with maths, and I have also completed my PG from Punjab Technical University. I have also completed my B.Ed. Um, yeah, and I have also completed my CTET. Have you heard about CTET? Business.
Yeah, 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 ma'am.
Yeah, and I have two daughters. Uh, my elder daughter is 9 years old, and younger one is 7 years old.
Okay,
Yeah,
wow.
that's about me. And so far as my hobbies are concerned,
Mhm.
I like to listen music, and
Mhm.
that is quite a common hobby, And
Yeah.
yeah, I like to watch movies sometimes. I do not follow any movie, means any kind of movies, whether it is Bollywood or Bollywood. Yeah,
Okay.
and yeah, and other than that, my hobby is to read chats and gossiping.
Okay, okay, okay. That's nice introduction, ma'am. So, ma'am, you born and brought up here in Faridabad, or you born and brought up here from Uttarakhand somewhere?
After marriage, after marriage, I am here,
Uh-huh.
and before, yeah, I brought up at Ghaziabad.
Ghaziabad. Okay,
And
so,
schooling was, yeah.
okay. Mhm. So, where are you from in Uttarakhand?
Actually, I am from Paudi Garhwal.
Okay, Poli Gadwal.
Yeah.
Okay.
And what about you?
Yeah, ma'am. My name is Bhuvan, and I am from Almora. I think you know about Almora. And
Yeah.
here I have done my graduation, and at present, actually, I'm preparing for government's exam
Yes,
here
I
in
know.
Uttarakhand. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah.
So, what type of exams are you preparing for?
Basically, ma'am, I'm preparing for my own state exam. Uh, you can say like Uttarakhand Civil Service Examination, like that.
Okay, civil service exam. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
That's really good. So that's
yeah.
why I have joined you because you are so ambitious person and kind and humble by nature.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot. Okay, so ma'am, your English is already very good. So, no, ma'am, it's
I
good. It's good. Okay, so for
actually,
mhm,
yeah, go on, go on.
yeah, yeah. So for how long have you been learning?
Learning English.
Yeah.
Not quite. I think I have been starting from for 3 to 4 days before only.
Okay,
I
you
am not
started.
happy. Yeah, 3 to 4 days only before.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Yes, I
So,
am practicing with my friend, who is
mhm.
my colleague also. So we are just practicing and we just spoke and not we don't think about the grammatical rules that we are doing some errors or not. We just spoke and we share our thoughts, our feelings, and what kind of topic is we are talking about. It doesn't matter for us, but we spoke. Yeah, that's the thing only. We are focusing only just about speaking, not the grammatical errors we are doing. Yeah.
Mhm. Okay, so and okay, so yeah, it is very good. So like you are like it has been only 4 to 5 days to you uh
Yes,
to
only
speaking.
4 to 5 days. And actually, yeah, I have to add one thing here. I have
Mhm.
also conversed with Sarita ma'am also, who is a YouTuber.
Sarita. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Sarita ma'am. Yeah, I have talked with her already. Yeah,
Yeah,
also. Yeah.
and he's also very kind lady and so happy go lady. And I feel, that time I felt so comfortable with English when I was talked up, with her, and that time I felt so confident in me that I can speak English. At least
Mhm.
I can make sentences in English. So this was my first session about with her that day. After that, we had started learning English.
But you have a good command already on English, I would say. Maybe you are
Thank
living in, yeah, maybe you are
you. It's
living
a
in metro cities.
Uh,
Yeah.
maybe, but I am where I am working in this public school. There is a
Mhm.
compulsion of you have to speak only in English. You have to converse in English only with your students, with your staff. Yes.
So
So
it's very
at
good.
that time I felt, yeah, at that
Mhm.
time I felt that I'm not very good in spoken English, so I have to work on it. So in my online classes, I'm regularly taking my online classes in between of these COVID situation. So
Yeah.
at that time I realized that I'm so in spoken English. Yes,
Mhm.
my pronunciation is okay, my grammatical grammar is okay, but I am not confident when I regarding to my spoken English. I am not that confident, so I have to work on it. So nowadays my vacations are going on, so so that feeling is came out from there that I have to go on and I have to do something from myself for myself.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, ma'am. Like, yeah, it's very necessary to speak if you want to be fluent. So everyday practice matters, I would say. And it has been 4 to 5 months to me speaking English because living in Uttarakhand where people doesn't speak English. Most of the people doesn't speak English. They speak their native language. And you are from Pori Gadwal, so I think you know about Gadwali. You know Gadwali. Yeah.
Gadwali, yeah.
So do
Sometimes
you?
I can speak, but I'm not fluent in Gadwali. I can understand it properly, but right from my childhood, there is no environment of Gadwali tone, and my parents are, yeah, they never speak with us. They never
Okay.
speak with us.
Okay. So like when you are in
You are
like when
Gadwali or from Kumaon?
I am from Kumaon,
Okay, okay. So Kumaon is
Almora.
very much typical, if we compared to Gadwali, the Kumaon is very much typical than Gadwali.
In terms of language.
Yes,
Yeah, but I think understanding Kumaon language is easy rather than understanding Gadwali language.
I don't know, but I felt that sometimes. So you like Pahadi dish? Obviously you like.
Yeah, ma'am. Like in my village area, so I speak Kumaoni, I speak Pahadi. So so actually I love this language, Pahadi. And and whenever I got chance to speak, when I was in Delhi, so there are three to four of my friends who are from Uttarakhand. So whenever we go metros, so inside metro we speak Kumaoni.
Ah, that's really good. We have to keep in touch with our native language. That is really good.
Yeah,
But
yeah, yeah.
we are not doing that. My parents are responsible for this only.
Yeah, and nowadays, ma'am, I have seen many of childrens, like their parents doesn't speak Kumaoni to with their children, even in
Mhm.
village areas. So they speak in Hindi with their children. So I think they must speak their own native language with their children because
Yeah,
this is
yeah.
our because this is our culture, this is our custom.
Well,
Yeah, so I think we should speak our traditional language, our native language.
yeah, yeah. That's
Uh,
true. I completely agree with you.
yeah.
So you like Pahadi dish?
Mm,
Do you
yeah,
like
yeah,
and
yeah.
okay, okay. So what dishes have you prepared and do you like to cook?
Yeah, I like to cook, but it is very hard to cook Pahari dishes to me. So I don't know how to cook Pahari dish very well. But yeah, but my mother prepares all the time all kind of Pahari dish. And do you know about bhat ke dubke?
Yeah, yeah, but I really like bhat.
Yeah, so bhat ke dubke is my favorite recipe.
Okay, good. And
Yeah.
what about other dishes? Like with
Mm,
rice, we can make also like fanu. You know about
sorry?
fanu?
No, no, no,
Fanu.
I don't know. No, no, I
Okay,
don't know what.
actually we Gadwali cook this dish, fanu with rice.
Okay, okay. And yeah,
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 but
and
yes,
yeah, yeah. And here in Kumaon, like we prepare bhatke dubke, bhatki churkani, and
yeah,
badi, and masak chants. Yeah, yeah. So there are a lot of
and
things.
arsa in marriage ceremony, arsa always we always prepared arsa that
Ar
I think it is made up of rice and good arsa.
Arsa,
Arse. Yeah,
Arsa.
it is a
Yeah,
sweet dish. It is a dessert and Pahadi's
okay.
dessert.
Okay, so we make this kind of dish in there is a festival called full day, full day, full day when we pick up the yeah when we pick up the flowers and next day we like we go every home with our basket of flour. So we make that dish on that day.
Okay, okay.
And in Kumaon we say it full khaj. Like we
What?
make two things like full khaj.
Okay, full khat.
Yeah, yeah, full khaj. Yeah. Hmm.
So this happens when two Pahadis meet.
Yeah, 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 yeah. And when I like when you send me message, I am from Uttarakhand. That time I was very excited to talk with to talking with you. Like, ma'am is from Uttarakhand now. I will talk with her.
Same here, same feeling. I at that time I felt like I should speak with you and I should converse with you because yeah, at that time I should. Or and any other topic you want to discuss
Mm, yeah, ma'am. Yeah, I have a topic like what do you think about like migration in Uttarakhand?
about
Migration,
migration? Okay.
migration.
I don't know
Mm.
exactly what how much population in Uttarakhand. I don't have any idea of that. But regarding migration, I think so. We are already know this in Uttarakhand and in Pahadi areas and hilly areas. As far as occupation is concerned and jobs are concerned, yeah there is no industries and so we have to migrate from
Mm.
there to train. Yeah, this is compulsory. So
Yeah, yeah,
yeah, it is compulsory for all the youth to build his career and uh, to do some jobs and to make his career. So he or she has to migrate. Uh, yeah. I
yeah.
don't know much about the population and much about because I sometimes I yeah I think in 2012 I went there my uh, native place that is in Taddy village.
Okay.
Taddy.
Hmm.
So my in-laws, my husband's village is Taddy. It is in Pauri Garhwal.
Hmm.
So I went there in 2012. At that time, I never been there.
Hmm. Yeah.
So
So
I
it has
don't
been
know
a long
much
time.
about,
Hmm.
yeah, I don't know much about what is the population, what is the exact condition of, Uttarakhand. I don't know much about because I was not keep in touch. If you are talking about the migration, so yeah, that this is compulsory for all the youth to, if he or she wants to build his career, if he wants to, uh, if you want to see your growth, so you have to migrate from there.
Mm. Yeah, right, ma'am. Right. Right. Yeah. Like after completing our 10th or 12th examination, so we have like one option. Our first option is army. Like getting a job in army is our first option. And after that, as you earlier said, there is no industrial area in Uttarakhand. So we have here limited option. Rather, we can prepare for government's exam. and apart from that we can go with army. Apart from these options we have nothing to do uh, anything here. So yeah, so most of the people migrate after completing their 12th. They
Yeah.
migrate, yeah, yeah, they migrate to metro cities. And that
Yeah.
time it is very hard to find a job in metro cities because you have just completed your 12th. And in metro cities when we go there, so that time we face a lot of difficulties.
Yes. So
Yeah,
your background is commerce background.
yeah, ma'am, yeah. I have done BCom, yeah.
So have you
Yeah,
done your graduation, yeah, or you still completing?
yeah, no, ma'am, I have done.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, I have done
That's,
my graduation, so yeah, so I'm looking for government jobs here in Uttarakhand.
so
Yeah.
are you going on with, sorry. So have you done, have you, what I should say?
Hmm?
Have you taken any class regarding this? Have you
No,
taken any?
no, no, ma'am.
No.
Actually, I am totally dependent on YouTube because in this time, like all coaching institute has closed due to Corona, so I can't go anywhere due to COVID situations. So right now, I'm preparing for myself. Yeah. And yeah, and one more thing. Suppose I want to go in coaching center. So I live in a village in Almora. So I have to go Haldwani. I think
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
yeah, I think you know about Haldwani. Haldwani is like a city
Yes.
in Uttarakhand.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So there are lots of coaching center. And here in my
Hmm.
village area, there are no coaching center.
No coaching center.
No coaching
Yeah.
center. Yeah. Yeah.
Mhm.
So I do all my study from YouTube nowadays.
Okay, you're totally dependent on technology nowadays.
Yeah, yeah, like ma'am, this is the very good part of technology. Very good part, I would say.
Yeah, if you are determined, if you are focused that you have to do this, so you can achieve. You can achieve your goal, and someday you will definitely achieve your goal. Yes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, so this is a very good
It
part
is
of
our
technology.
willpower and determination only. How much we are dedicated towards our work or job or which we want to achieve. So anything in this world not impossible, because impossible always say that I am possible. So you have
Yeah,
to
very,
work on.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
ma'am. Yeah, very true. Yeah. So ma'am, which one is your favorite Gadwali song? May I know?
Yes,
Do you listen Gadwali song?
not often, but
So,
sometimes.
so which one is your favorite Gadwali song?
Favorite.
Yeah.
Bed Pako. That is
Okay.
quite common.
Okay. Bed Pako Baru Masa.
Yeah. I think it is Gadwali, not Kumauni, right?
Bed Pako Baru Masa. I think, ma'am, it is Kumaoni. I think
Okay.
because I can understand in this song totally, and it is very hard to understand sometimes Gadwali accent and Gadwali song.
Okay.
Yeah,
So I don't know even it is Gadwali or Kumauni. I am asking for you. Oh
yeah,
God.
yeah.
Uh,
And there is a famous singer of Gadwal. I think you know about him, Naring Singh Negi. Do you
yes,
know?
I heard. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So he speaks very good. He sings, sorry. Yeah, he sings very good. Yeah,
Yeah.
he's a very great singer of Gadwal. Yeah.
Uh, Today I am searching, on Google News, what is today's news. So here, Babita Fogart's sister committed suicide. I think I
Uh,
saw.
uh,
I
her cousin sister, cousin
her
sister or her
cousin
sister?
sister Ritik. No, no, not real sister. She is a
Cousin.
cousin sister. Ritika Fogart. I think. Ritika.
But ma'am,
Yeah.
okay. Today.
Today and yesterday, I don't know exactly, but she has committed suicide. I don't know today and yesterday. Yeah, but I think this is so horrible because He was a well-known wrestler. As per the news, she was well-known wrestler and she has committed suicide and she was very young, at a very young age.
Mhm.
Yes. Yo, means depression makes you means this is all depression. You can
Right.
say. So
Yeah.
the
Right.
yeah, mental health is always important because parents plays important role in this. If we are going through these phases, so parents are also responsible for this. They should support at least. Whether we are